In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install Writerifly, an OpenAI writer assistant with custom writing template SAAS scripts. So to download this script, I just go to my codecanyon.net. After that, I search for the name of my script, which is this. This script costs $49. To purchase it, I click on add to cart, then I fill the necessary link I'm supposed to fill, or the form I'm supposed to fill. After that, I go to my cPanel, then my file manager. Next, I go to my subdomain because I'm using a subdomain for this testing purposes. So I go to my subdomain. Here is my subdomain I want to use. I have already uploaded the script. Here is it. Then as I extract it, I right click, then click on extract files. Okay, all is in order. Then I click on close. I open the script, that's the file. Select all, click on select all. I click move. And I move to which folder? Move files. So I click on up one level. I've successfully uploaded it to my host folder. Next, I go back to my cPanel, then to my database to create my database. So let me name my database as this. Then I click on create database. My database has been created successfully, so I click on go back. Next, I create my user. After creating the database, I create the user. Let me name my user as this. When I click on create user, the user has been created successfully. So after creating the database and the user, I will add the user to the database. It has selected it for me automatically. If not, I'm going to click on this to select it. Then I click on add. I give all privileges and scroll down to make changes. So I have successfully added the user to the database. Next, I will now go to my subdomain. And click enter. Okay, so let me go to /public/install to yes, then enter. Welcome to the setup wizard. I click on next step. This is localhost, username. Let me come back to my database where I added it, then I select it. Copy. So this username is talking about my database username, and I paste it here. That's my database username. Here it's talking about my database user. Here it's talking about database name. Yes. Then I click on next step. So next step, I will go to back to my file manager. So where we have our storage app, storage framework, storage logs, I'm going to change these ones to 775 first before then I change this later. So let me go to my file manager, storage, is it, I click on it, then change it to 775, save, click on this is the framework, save, and this is the logs, save. Now let me come back here. I've done this three, then I go to Bootstrap, cache, click on up one level, Bootstrap, open it, then I change this to 775, click on save. Now I can now refresh this, check permission again. So everything is now in order. I click on next step. Okay, don't forget this. Application has been successfully installed. So I can click here to exit. Here I have installed my script successfully. To install the script, use link in description to engage me to help you install the script or to customize the script. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. Thank you.